Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2008 Kawasaki EX250R Ninja. This bike's got 13,400 miles on it and is in great shape. It has had a gentle tip over on both sides, which I'll show you when we walk around it, but other than that, it's all minimally cosmetic and in great shape. So let's take a look at her here. It comes with a dark tinted double bubble windscreen. You can see here the front end, it's in good shape. Same with the front tire, got plenty of miles left on that. So here's where we had a little set down. It's got a little damage there on the bar end and a little scuff on the middle fairing. It has some scuffs on the tail. Basically it looks like from a boot, the swing over. I think they had a tank bag on this bike for a while too. We've got a little bit of scuffing here along the edge of the tank, but it's very, very minimal. The one accessory this bike does have, it does have a fender eliminator on it. The back tire itself is in excellent shape, looks fairly new. And again on this side, the only damage we've noticed is a little scraping on the lever and the bar end. So set down, tipped over against something, hard to say. But like I said, very minimally cosmetic. Does not affect the performance of the bike whatsoever. Alright, so here's our mileage. 13,404. This 250R Ninja will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. Simply Street Bikes.